Today we're diving into PostBridge, a social media management tool that promises to simplify your online presence. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's take a closer look at what it has to offer and whether it's worth your time. PostBridge is designed to streamline social media management, aiming to help users schedule posts, analyze performance, and engage with audiences across various platforms. At first glance, the interface feels user-friendly, making it approachable for beginners. You can easily create and schedule posts, which is a huge plus for busy marketers. However, while the basic functionality is solid, I found some features could be clearer. For instance, the analytics section seems a bit basic compared to what some users might expect from a comprehensive tool. It targets small business owners and solo entrepreneurs primarily, which makes sense given its straightforward layout. What stands out is the integration with multiple social media platforms, allowing for central management. Still, I noticed that some advanced features like in-depth audience segmentation are either limited or not as intuitive as they could be. Overall, while it has potential, there are areas that could use improvement to truly enhance the user experience. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, PostBridge offers an easy-to-navigate interface and decent scheduling capabilities, which can save users a lot of time. It's particularly helpful for those just starting out in social media management. On the flip side, the analytics features feel underwhelming for more advanced users. Some might find the lack of detailed insights frustrating, especially if they're used to more robust tools. Additionally, I noticed some trust concerns around customer support responsiveness, which can be crucial when you're managing multiple accounts. Pricing might also be a sticking point. While it's affordable for entry-level users, those needing more advanced features might end up looking elsewhere. Overall, it seems ideal for beginners but may not fully satisfy more experienced marketers. In conclusion, PostBridge is a solid choice for those new to social media management, offering essential features at a reasonable price. However, if you're looking for advanced analytics or robust customer support, you might want to explore other options. It's worth a try, but just be aware of its limitations.